Hi, I'm going to pick a winner for the Knit Crate yarn, and all links are down below. If you're the winner, please contact me. My email is down below and I'll send it out your way. And this Knit Crate is $24.99 per month. You put in my promo code Jewel20 and you get your first month 20% off. You get 2 skeins of yarn and booklets of patterns. If you haven't already, my links are down below for Crochet Jewel Patterns on Facebook. You can like for that page. I lost this over a year ago and had to start all over because I was hacked. And here's my group. You can join that as well. And my Etsy store is open with just a couple of digital products, crochet printables and mugs, and just a couple of patterns in there because I like to place all my patterns on my blog, and normally they're all free. And the winner is Julie Nicholson. Please contact me. Congratulations. I'll send that out. Thank you everybody for participating and subscribing, and look out for new giveaways in the future. And I have new patterns out. I've been trying to do like 1 or 2 a week. My latest one was the 4-leaf clover. You can have a look at that. And I had a heart one and some hats I've done, like a ski mask and stuff like that. All right, thank you everybody, and please subscribe if you haven't already.